I'll be telling you Indian brand names that are, you know, the unsung heroes. उनके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं हुई है, but oh my god, they have so much stuff. मतलब शायद इतनी ज़्यादा वैरायटी नहीं होगी, इतनी बड़ी साइट्स नहीं होंगी जितनी शीन की है, but they are so good. The tops, the gowns, I'll tell you one by one for each and every category. The blazers, the formals, the informal, the casual, the flowy dresses, the printed dresses, everything.
Hi guys, this is Sukriti. Welcome back to my channel. Before we move on with the video, let me give you a quick little recap. So it was just another normal lockdown day. I woke up, obviously not like this, but yes, I did wake up. Then I started using my phone, Instagram. That's the first thing I do. I know I shouldn't, but then I started working. Got distracted by the end of the day again and started using my phone when I heard,
babe, Shein has got banned.
yes, this was exactly my instant reaction. I was heartbroken.
I wish it were a dream, but it is true. Shein has got banned, and you know, there's this saying जो कि मैंने ही बोली है. It's like जब पूरी का है ना तुम्हें किसी चीज से अलग करने में लग जाए, so you better take the hint and start searching for alternatives, something just like that, closer to that, if you cannot get that. So everyone and anyone that knows these telling me all the Shein things, and it's heartbreaking. I've not heard that much the name of, but is really nice, is Very Lush. Now I'll tell you the thing about Very Lush. They have really nice, exactly Shein type of dresses. The floral ones, the striped ones, you know, like you can find something like this as well. Like this is bodycon, this is from Shein, but you get this pattern from till here, and the नीचे वाला part is थोड़ा सा flowy. It's very affordable. Things are between 300, 400 to say 800, 700 max, and that's the best part. That makes it, you know, in to compete against Shein. So they also have sunflower prints, which I have seen on Shein as well. So the maxi dresses are good, the jumpsuits are good, their coat sets are good. Everything on this site is so good. You can find this on Myntra as well, just in case you are looking for faster delivery and not looking to order from their website, but you must check that out. Vani Vidi Visi, if I'm pronouncing that rightly, isn't an Indian brand really. I know I should have not included it in this video, but look at the price that they are selling the Shein type of costumes, the dresses, the tops, the cami tops, everything. It is cheap and it is, you go see it. Here are some pictures for your references. It is the best out of all of them. Dressberry also you might have heard the name of. I think their headquarters is in Andhra, which is really good. And Very Lush, by the way, of course, has their headquarters in Noida, if I'm not wrong. So Dressberry ka I have this red t-shirt, short crop red t-shirt sort of thing. So they have good products. They are basically, I guess, into footwear. So the clothing thing is not that extravagant, but if you are looking for something comfortable and nice to wear, you can check this. Now, Sassafras is good for skirts, plazos, and blazers as well. I have one of the blazers. There are a couple of brands that I found on Myntra. So the brands are, I have written them on my diary, so I'll just speak them out from here. So it's Athena, Tazo, Harpa, Rego, Trenderist, Populatic, Purple Feather, and Bisiva as well. Ether, yes. Apart from that, the ones that I would really like to highlight are Puris. Puris there is a good mix of blazer prints and patterns. So I really like their blazers. I have one of them. I'll surely put a picture here somewhere. Harpa is also one really great brand that I found on Myntra. Now I'll just quickly name some of the Instagram pages that I really like. There are these two stores that I really like. So one is Frenesy Fashion, and oh my god, I'll just post some pictures, screenshots here. Their clothes are amazing. They ship from Chandigarh, I guess. So I am hoping an Indian brand. So Frenesy Fashion, it should be, you must check it out at least once. It is the best Instagram website I've website. It is the best. It is the best Instagram page I've come across for shopping. Now, Real Bling store doesn't have as much clothes as the Frenessy fashion one, but there is this one post. I'll put the link for you in the description box. If you are a bralette fan just like me, they have some really nice collection of bralettes and you can get 6-7 of them together. This one more brand that I would like to take the name of. It's Texco. I'm not sure if it's Indian, but it's surely not Chinese. So they have a good collection of dresses, tops and shirts as well. I have one shirt from their collection. We'll put a picture here. So I'm currently forgetting the name of this one brand that sells bralettes and other bottoms like 3 or 4 pack at a really affordable price. I'm forgetting the name. If I'll be able to find the name by the time I'm putting this video across, I'll name it somewhere here and put the products here. It is really nice. I'm just escaping the name from my mind. You must have heard the name of the biggest, but then and this is the best thing about it. This brand, the thing is, it is high and it is costly, but the reason I included in this video is that it has a huge sale, massive sale going on its site. Mostly they are right now lying in the range of 300 to 1000 something. Now I'll tell you what is the best thing that I liked about them. For every brand I'm going to tell you my best picks. So you see they have a good mix of patterns and prints. So the styles are good, the cutouts are good, and if you are a bikini person, like who's that comfortable in wearing a bikini, I am not. I might just wear the bikini that is shown to you on the screen as a bodysuit because I love the print. Apart from that, it has tropical printed shorts, floral print, flowy dresses. And the top that you see right here on the screen is my favorite. Like I love this top and it is so sheeny. In fact, the white crop top that is here on the screen, I guess, is great too. So these were my favorites. Go check out the site. They like the first site that you should be shopping from right now is Lulu and Sky. Now, Coops ka bhi you must have heard the name of. The only reason, okay, so I didn't like a lot of their products, like as compared to Shein, because the comparison is with Shein, the benchmark is Shein. So Shein के comparison में एकदम वैसे products नहीं है इनके पास. But then this one jumpsuit has my heart. Like I was scrolling, and I thought that let's not include this in the video. It's like very normal and not sheeny. But then I saw this jumpsuit and I was like, oh my god, and it is costly, guys, I know, but then I'm all time up for purchasing this. I can invest in this. I've never seen something like this good. So yeah, I included this so that you can also maybe check this out. Apart from that, then I also started picking out some more things from their website. I found out that they have really nice dresses too, like the plain ones, bodycon ones, comfy loose ones. So it's a good mix on their website, and everything ranges pretty much from 200, 300 to 700, 800-ish. So yeah, you can spend according to your budget, obviously. Just that in every site you will have to dig out for the products. It is मतलब Shein जितने variety नहीं है, Shein जितने styles नहीं है, number of products नहीं है, but then जब कुछ नहीं मिलता तो आपको कम में काम चलाना पड़ता है. You have to make peace with what you have and pick the best out of all the things that are available to you. That is what I'm doing. I really like this blazer as well from Coops. Just this blazer, but it is Ajio. Ajio is of Reliance, I guess, and I'll tell you the best thing about them. The best thing that this video is particularly focused on clothes, but still because I have gone through Ajio a lot. Didn't order anything as such though, but yeah, I know they sell sandals and footwear at very affordable price, and there is a huge variety of it, very like colorful and nice. Apart from that, the bottoms that they sell, the bottoms are really cheap, just like Shein. 1,000, 800, 700 maybe 500, 400. Maybe you can get jeans, bottoms like workwear pants, or boyfriend jeans, mom jeans, and plazos, this and that, everything. I've seen it. And apart from footwear, yeah, there are some really nice shirt patterns too. Now for shirts, I'll recommend you go to Ajio. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Other things are good too, but then this site has a huge variety of products, so you will have to like dig in to find something sheeny. Guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope this was helpful. I hope you all will think of purchasing from the real alternatives for Shein. I feel thoda hai, thode ki zarurat hai. We have some brands who are doing really great. If they, step up, this is just the right time for them to come up with more products and more styles, so that Shein ki aadat, the addiction that we all have had of it, we can get rid of it and get addicted to these Indian brands. This is it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Let me know. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time with any other DIY or money saving video. So yeah, bye bye.